What is program? Program is a set of instructions. So programming is basically telling computer what to do. But you can communicate only by instructions that computer can perform. It's same way as with humans. You have instructions. So if someone tells you to shut up, you know what to do. Or if someone tells you to raise your right hand, you can do that. But if someone tells you to drive a car to Mars, you cannot perform that operation. Computer works the same way, only the instructions looks like this. Store something in memory. Add 10 and 15. Is 15 bigger than 0? Paint the top left pixel to red. Now, you might think, okay, that's great, but how do we create a useful application with these limited instructions? Well, you break the application to a set of instructions. Think of it this way. If you get lost and ask for a route, you will receive a set of instructions, like go 1 mile, turn left, then take the second right, and you can't miss it. But if someone tells you, yeah, it's 2 miles that way, you will get lost. Same way with computer. You cannot tell computer, hey, do this app. No, you have to tell him, print this on a screen, take that from user, multiply this and that, and print the result. So, the important thing from this lesson is that you are telling computer what to do step by step, using instructions that computer can't perform.